Hello everyone, welcome back to Grad to Corporate. In today's video, I will share the latest job and internship opportunity for freshers and engineering students in 2026. We will discuss the two great opportunities from GE Aerospace and HCL Technologies. These roles are open for freshers and engineering candidates who want to start their career in the tech and engineering industry. So make sure you watch the video completely to understand the eligibility, required skills, and the application process. GE Aerospace has opened the application for Engineering Technology intern role in Bengaluru. This internship is designed for a student pursuing MTech in mechanical engineering or aerospace engineering. The internship duration is approximately 6 to 9 months and offers the students the opportunity to work on the real engineering project in the aerospace industry. GE Aerospace is one of the world's leading aviation technology companies. The company designs and develops the advanced aircraft engines and aviation system used by the airlines and aerospace organizations globally. Working with GE Aerospace gives the intern the chance to participate in the engineering innovation that improves the aircraft performance and safety. During the internship, candidate will work on the real engineering projects related to aerospace technology. Interns will collaborate with the experienced engineer to develop and analyze the component used in the aircraft system. They will also prepare the technical report, participate in the internal discussion, and contribute to the engineering solution. Candidate applying for this internship should have a strong knowledge of mechanical engineering concept. Understanding the structural mechanics and finite element methods is important for analyzing the engineering component. Experience with simulation tools like ANSYS, NX, or Hypermesh can also increase the chances of selection. One of the biggest advantage of this internship is the opportunity to work on the real aerospace engineering projects. Intern may receive the mentorship from the experienced engineers and get exposure to the global engineering team. This internship also helps the student develop the strong technical skills and practical engineering experience. HCL Technologies is hiring the software engineers for its technology team in Noida. This opportunity is open for the fresh graduates from computer science, information technologies, or related technical field. The salary for this role can go up to 10 lakh per annum depending on the skills and experience. HCL Technologies is one of the largest IT service companies in the world. The company operates in more than 40 countries and works with many global enterprises. HCL provides the services in the areas such as cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, and digital transformation. As a software engineer at HCL, candidate will work on the enterprise infrastructure and automation tool. The role includes developing the script, managing the enterprise system, and supporting the automation process. Engineers also collaborate the DevOps team to deploy and maintain the automation solution. Candidates applying for this role should have a knowledge of the programming and scripting languages. Understanding the SQL queries, operating system like Windows and Linux, and DevOps tools is also important. Problem solving skills and teamwork ability are essential for working in the enterprise technology environment. HCL hiring process usually starts with submitting an online application. Shortlisted candidate may be invited for an online technical assessment. After that, the candidate will go through the technical and HR interviews before receiving the final offer. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.